Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if there isn't enough memory available to create a RAM disk device followed by an error code 0xc0000017 on your computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it. And if you read the full error message, it'll start talking about that you'll need to use recovery tools if you don't have any installation media like a disk or USB device. Contact your PC administrator or PC device manufacturer. So assuming you're able to get back into Windows, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this problem here. And we are going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And I'm going to have a few commands in the description video. I want you guys to copy the first one here. It's bcdedit and ends with badmemoryaccess no. So just copy that and then go up to the top bar of this command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter. Should come back with the operation completed successfully. Go ahead and copy the second command I'm going to have. So again, same procedure as the first. And then finally, we're going to run an sfc command, so just copy that, same way as the first two. This will take a couple minutes to run, more than likely the last one here, so just please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, would suggest restarting your computer, and that should honestly be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.